avoid it. I just look at it like this. Like this is not my native land, and people are entitled to their own opinions, and just have to be like, okay, if you don't like me because of my race, then it's fine. That's your opinion, and that's
Yeah.
that. I'm not gonna like
Take it to heart or
take it to
anything.
heart or anything like that because parang waste of time sa akin. Yun lang. Yun lang yun.
Parang
Yeah.
nakikita ko na like how you talk right now, yung mindset mo pa lang nung bata ka, you've been shaped to be strong. Ang rami mo na agad na challenges na na-meet nung nasa PNG ka eh, no? So, because
Yeah.
I've talked to a lot of people and some people when they experience discrimination, yung parang galit na galit sila na parang di nila matanggap na oh, ganito ba rito sa Canada na sa Philippines kasi ganito ako.